Howdy and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I pot up my tomato plants. So let's get started. Now this is my tomato plants for this year. These are Better Boy hybrids. I let them grow this tall so I can transfer them and bury them in the cups. I'm going to show you how I do that in this video. I think there's about 20 of them here, so. Sometimes they're a little bit pain to get them apart when they get this size, but a lot better do them this way. When you transfer them, they're easier to mess with, just like the peppers. We're just going to start with these few. This is going to be a short video, so I'm just going to show you how I do it. I usually bury these, well, get this dabber right here. I'll take these and I will bury them all the way to the bottom of the cup. And the reason for that is make it a lot sturdier, stronger plant. So there. Now these are buried nearly to the bottom, always as far to the bottom as you can get them. You can get them all the way down in there. Yes, if I poured out some of the soil, you could get down there a little bit further, but it's pretty deep in the cup. Now, when this thing fills out, this whole inside this cup will be full of roots. This thing will have roots from top to bottom. All these fine hairs, on this tomato plant will produce. Most of them will produce roots, not all of them. So most of them will. But this will make it a stronger, sturdier plant. So when you get ready to plant it in the ground, this thing will have a extremely strong root base on it already. Help the plant a lot sturdier stand up. So that's all there is to it. Just let it grow out. Fertilize it just a little bit and let it grow out. And this thing will be one big strong plant. So I'm only going to do a few of them in this video, not many of them. So I got about 20 to do, but just drill a hole, just dig a hole straight down the center of the cup. Get your tomato plant, get the soil off of it. Try not to ever tear off. You tear off the taproot on here, which is on the side right here. I can feel it right there sticking out hard. Taproot. Rip that off, this thing will die. So that's all there is to it. Now these things are buried deep in these cups, so you'll have plenty of roots. That's all there is to potting these up, these tomatoes like that. Just let these grow out for a while and fertilize them and they'll be fine. These will be ready to go out in the yard in about 2 weeks. So 2 or 3 weeks. Keep them under the lights until then. But well, I guess that's it for this video. It wasn't very long, I know. Wasn't much to it. But that's all there is to potting up these tomatoes. But you bury them deep like that, they're going to have strong root systems. They'll survive a lot better in the ground. They'll be sturdier, stiffer plants. They'll be able to hold up all the tomatoes a lot better. So, alright, well, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe, and until next time, thanks for watching.